Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the work done when a crane is lifting a concrete beam vertically. So the concrete beam is 4 short tons. So this is a English/imperial question, but technically it's a US customary question because only US customary uses short tons. And the elevation is 25 feet. So we're going to use the Z symbol. Why not H? Because H is generally for a fixed height. So the height doesn't change. Since we're lifting it up to 25 feet, it's going to be Z. So the elevation changes. Okay. So that's the nuance of the Z versus H, although in terms of formulas it doesn't matter. It still works out the same. Okay, step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a concrete beam. It's being lifted up vertically by a crane. Okay, step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So the mass is a concrete beam that weighs 4 times short ton. So 1 short ton is 2,000 pound mass. And the elevation is 25 feet. You can also call it height, but we're going to be using elevation for the correct units. Step 3, find the work formula. So work is W is equal to mass times gravity times the elevation. So work in this case is basically potential energy. Step 4, find the work for part A where the beam is the system. So just multiply the 3 together. We're going to assume gravity is the imperial version. So 4 multiplied by 2,000 pound mass multiplied by 32.174 feet per second squared multiplied by 25 feet. Then multiplied by your conversion factor, 1 pound force divided by 32.174 pound mass feet per second squared. So gravity cancels out. And your other units cancel out. You're left with pound force feet. Okay, so that's 200,000 pound force foot or feet. And then we'll convert that to a more reasonable unit. So we'll convert it to British thermo units. So we do that by multiplying the conversion factor. 1 BTU is equal to 778.169 pound force feet. So you multiply these together, you'll get 257.01 BTU. So the work done by the beam is 257.01 British thermal units. Step 5. Find the work done when the crane is the system. So since the crane is going to do the same amount of work done to lift the beam, it's still going to be 257.01 British thermal units. Okay, disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, so once you have it open, click on the video option, then click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example here. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.